Hey, what's going on? Back again with another video. This time we are doing some commercial cleaning. I'm here with one of my clients, Shyndigz. Well, I'm actually at the fancy Biscuit right now. They got like 3 spots. Anyways, but Shyndigz, you may or may not be familiar with it. I am here going to do a good cleaning on their kitchen, mainly focusing on like the lower third and all these spots up under here. I'm going to see what I can do with all of that. And so first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to foam everything down, then hit it with the pressure washer, do some scrubbing, and after I do the scrubbing, I'm going to steam it and protect it. So the same way I do cars is the same way I'm going to tackle this project. So let's get to work.
So, until next time.